Today, we're taking a closer look at bacteria, a notorious microorganism that can cause serious health problems. But fear not, we have vital oxide disinfectant ready to take down these bad boys. As we look under the microscope, we can see the bacteria wriggling around, minding its own business. But wait, what's this? A spray of vital oxide hits the bacteria, and suddenly things go haywire. The microorganism's cell wall is compromised, and its protein production is disrupted. It's like a scene from a sci-fi movie. Now, you can disinfect your home, office, or any other space without worrying about damaging treated surfaces. Plus, vital oxide's technology is designed to prevent microbial adaptability, which means that these bacteria won't be able to develop a resistance to it. And get this, vital oxide is super easy to use. Just spray and walk away. So, make sure to keep vital oxide on hand for all your disinfecting needs. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.